Looking to gain weight the healthy way? Here's a powerful smoothie to help you pack on healthy pounds. How I can gain weight in just 7 days, and how I can make this recipe. If I can make this recipe at home, follow these easy steps and gain weight in just 7 days. If you can weight gain in just 7 days, must watch this video. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious and nutritious weight gain smoothie. This recipe is perfect if you're looking to bulk up in a healthy way with real, whole foods. 1 banana, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1/2 cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 cup of almond milk or milk of choice, 1 scoop of protein powder. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this ultimate weight gain smoothie. Each ingredient is packed with nutrients that help you gain weight in a balanced way. No empty calories here. Start by adding 1 ripe banana. Bananas are great for providing instant energy and adding healthy carbs. Next, we're adding 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. It's a calorie-dense, healthy fat and packed with protein. Now, toss in 1/2 cup of oats. Oats are a fantastic source of fiber and slow-burning carbs, which keep you feeling fuller longer and support muscle growth. A tablespoon of honey adds natural sweetness and an energy boost, while chia seeds are loaded with omega-3s, which are excellent for overall health and gaining lean mass. Next, add 1 cup of Greek yogurt. It's high in protein and probiotics, which are great for digestion. Pour in a cup of almond milk, or any milk you prefer. If you want even more protein, feel free to add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Blend everything together until smooth, and you're done. This smoothie is rich in calories, protein, healthy fats, and carbs, making it the perfect option for anyone looking to gain healthy weight. Enjoy the smoothie as a meal replacement or post-workout boost. With over 600 calories and tons of essential nutrients, it's the perfect addition to your diet if you're aiming for healthy weight gain. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more health tips, recipes, and ways to reach your fitness goals.